What if I told you, your cold brew maker might be stealing flavor and leaving you with bitter, gritty coffee? We brewed over 30-plus batches across 16 top models, testing steep time, filtration, and ease of use, and the results will shock coffee lovers. One popular maker let through cloudy sludge, while our number 3 delivered perfectly smooth, rich concentrate every time. If you want barista-level cold brew at home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Takeya patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Takeya's patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a durable BPA-free tri-tan pitcher with an airtight lid and non-slip silicone handle. It produces 4 servings of smooth cold brew with any type of coffee grounds and is less acidic than traditional coffee brewing. The fine mesh coffee filter keeps grounds out of your freshly brewed pot, and the tri-tan plastic withstands hot temperatures. This cold brew coffee maker is perfect for those looking for a sustainable and cost-effective way to make their own cold brew coffee at home. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 32-ounce Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The OXO Good Grips 32-ounce Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a great choice for those looking for a simple and efficient way to make cold brew coffee. It features a perforated rainmaker that evenly distributes water over coffee grounds for optimal flavor extraction, a brew release switch that controls the filtration process, and an ultrafine, stainless steel mesh filter that is reusable and easy to clean. The borosilicate glass carafe includes measurement markings and pairs with a stopper to keep coffee fresh in the refrigerator. With its small countertop footprint and easy disassembly for cleanup and compact storage, this cold brew coffee maker is a great choice for any coffee lover. Number 3. Ninja Hot and Iced Coffee Maker. The Ninja Hot and Iced Brewer offers versatility with 4 distinct brewing options: classic, rich, over ice, and cold brew. This means you can enjoy your coffee just the way you like it, whether you prefer a bold iced coffee or a smooth cold brew in minutes. With 8 brewing sizes, you can easily brew a small cup for yourself or a full carafe for guests, ensuring everyone's needs are met. The removable water reservoir simplifies refilling by automatically measuring the water, so you don't have to worry about constantly checking levels. This coffee maker is designed to enhance your coffee experience. Number 4. Ovalware RJ3 Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Ovalware RJ3 Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a great choice for those looking for a healthier, smoother cup of coffee. This 1.5L/51-ounce carafe is made with an 18/8 rust-free superfine laser-cut filter, medical-grade stainless steel filter and lid cap, and an extra-thick, lab-tested borosilicate glass. It also features an airtight seal and a non-slip rubber cushion base for extra protection. The cold brewer extracts coffee concentrate, which can be stored and mixed with an endless variety of beverages. It's also compatible with iced and hot tea, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen. Number 5. QHH Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The QHH Cold Brew Maker includes a 64-ounce glass pitcher with a pour spout lid, a stainless steel filter, and a cleaning brush. The durable glass and BPA-free plastic lid ensure long-lasting use. The ergonomic handle and airtight spout prevent spills and keep beverages fresh. The super-dense stainless steel filter effectively strains out coffee grounds, tea leaves, and fruit pits for a smooth drink. With an easy-to-clean design, this cold brew maker is perfect for iced coffee, tea, lemonade, and more. So which cold brew maker will you use to revolutionize your mornings? Debate your favorite in the comments. If this game-changing review upgraded your coffee routine, brew that like button, it helps us test more. Want more coffee tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing espresso machines. All our top picks are linked below. Stay caffeinated.